Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your trusted place to learn smart, simple, and profitable ways to trade online. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most accurate and easy-to-use IQ option trading strategies using just one indicator, fractals. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or an experienced trader looking for a stress-free setup, you're going to love how quick and powerful this strategy is. Ready to learn how to catch winning trades with a few simple steps? Let's get started. But first, a quick risk warning. Binary options trading involves financial risk. There's no guarantee of profits, and you can lose money. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you enjoy clear and practical strategies like this, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any future trading tips. Now let's talk about the rules of this strategy. First, add the fractal indicator to your chart. Go into the settings and change the period from 5 to 3. This makes the signals faster and more accurate. That's it. Once the fractal signal appears, take a buy or sell trade on the very next candle. Simple. We'll be opening 4 charts at the same time. If the fractal gives a signal on all 4, we'll take trades on all 4 together. Use a 1-minute candle time frame and set the expiry time to 1 minute for fast results. Avoid trading during news events. They can make markets unpredictable. Trade during the European and New York sessions for better accuracy. And always practice on a demo account before using real money. Now that you know the rules, let's jump into some live trading examples and watch this simple strategy in action. Stay tuned, the exciting part starts right now. Now we're waiting for the fractal signals to confirm at candle close. As soon as the current candle closed, we received 3 sell signals and 1 buy signal across our 4 charts. So I've entered 4 trades at the same time, following exactly what the fractal indicator has shown us. When you take a trade, make sure to enter immediately after the new candle opens. If you're late, skip the trade. Timing is everything with this strategy, and late entries can affect your results. Also, don't forget about risk management. I strongly recommend that you follow the 1% rule. That means risking only 1% of your total account balance per trade. This way, even if a trade doesn't go in your favor, your account stays safe, and you can keep trading confidently. So now, let's stay patient and wait for the trades to complete. Live trading is always the best way to learn. It shows how a strategy works in real time and builds your confidence. Let's see what happens next. The trade results are coming up, and here are the trade results. Out of the 4 trades we placed, we won 3 and lost just 1, which is a really solid outcome. This clearly shows the accuracy and reliability of the fractal indicator, even with such a simple setup. That's why I love this strategy. It's easy to follow and delivers consistent performance when used correctly. To help you understand it better, I'm going to take 4 more trades simultaneously on all 4 charts. This second round of trades will give us a clearer picture of how the fractal indicator performs in different market conditions. So now, I'm watching the charts closely. We'll wait for new signals to appear at the candle close. As always, we'll only enter the trade on the next candle after a fresh fractal signal. We've just received 4 fresh sell signals from the fractal indicator, 1 on each chart. So, I've gone ahead and placed 4 simultaneous sell trades, just like before, following our same rules. This second round of trades will help us double-check how well the fractal strategy works in real-time market conditions. Remember, this is all about staying consistent, following your signals, and avoiding emotional decisions. Trade right after the candle opens. Don't delay, stick to your risk management. Just 1% of your total balance per trade. Stay calm and focused while the trades are running. Also, let me know in the comments. Do you like this kind of multi-chart setup? Would you prefer to trade with 1 chart or 4 like this? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's stay patient and wait for the results. This part is exciting because it shows how this simple strategy performs under real trading conditions. And there we have it. All 4 trades won this time. This result clearly highlights the accuracy and consistency of the fractal indicator when used with the right timing and money management. With 7 wins out of 8 trades across both rounds, This strategy has proven to be simple, yet powerful. And the best part? You don't need any complicated tools or multiple indicators, just fractals and discipline. But remember, always trade smart. Use a demo account first, master your timing, and stick to strict risk management before switching to a real account. That's the key to long-term success in binary options. If you found this strategy helpful and easy to follow, like this video to show your support, subscribe to the channel for more free strategies. Click the bell icon so you never miss our next upload. Drop your questions and results in the comments below. I'd love to know how this strategy works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful and practical trading setup. Till then, trade safe and stay profitable.